Hey, so if Brave is acting weird, like pages breaking, buttons not working, or sites loading incorrectly, yeah, it's often caused by extension conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave extension issues step by step. Alright, first, notice when the issue happens. If it started after installing an extension, that's your first clue. Now go to the menu and open the extensions page so you can manage everything installed. Next, turn off all extensions temporarily. This helps you confirm if one of them is causing the issue. Now reload the page. If everything works fine, yeah, one of your extensions is the problem. Now enable extensions one by one, testing each time until the issue comes back. Once you find the problem extension, remove it completely or replace it with a safer alternative. Also check permissions. Some extensions break sites when they have too much access. Make sure all your extensions are updated. Outdated ones can cause compatibility issues with modern websites. If problems still continue, reset Brave settings to default to clear hidden conflicts. And yeah, that's it. Once you fix extension conflicts, Brave should run smoothly again without broken pages or glitches.